Hey Sarah, where are we at?
Great Flush.
It's 2011. It's your Girl Scout trip. Awesome. This is Sarah. This is Sarah in the mirror. There's that handsome cameraman.
Hello.
Hello. There's my beautiful wife Kimberly. Kim, as we like to call. Hey Hannah, what are you doing? Spitting? Good job. Hi best friend. We got hooked up on a room. I mean, we really did. We got a nice room. Got some pretty stuff on the wall. But the best part of this whole room there's King's Island. There's the pool. King's Island. That guy right there, I thought he was dying.